Welcome to the post-match presentation of Rosemurg NMPL Season 4, proudly presented by Mazgaon Cricket Club. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to the NMPL committee for the remarkable hosting of this spectacular Season 4 of Rosemurg NMPL, an outstanding tournament organized by Mazgaon Cricket Club and approved by Mumbai Cricket Association. It is time to thank our sponsors, title sponsor Rosemurg Limited, official streaming platform Waves OTT and DD Sports, associate and team sponsors Vashi Warriors, Monarch Net Worth Capital Limited, Thane Tigers, Sukra Pharmaceuticals, Belapur Blasters, Jojo Limited, Amarnath Avengers, Emirates Holding Group, Copper Kerne Titans, Sarvamangal Equity Asset Management Private Limited, Sanpada Scorpions, Srimad Bhagwat Assets Management LLP, Meera Bandar Lions, Move Moda, Oroma Ventures Private Limited, and Kalyan Tuskers over here. Z-Class on point always. Talking about the result of this match, Sarva Copper Kerne Titans won this game by huge margin by 75 runs. Now it is time to introduce our post-match presentation party. Starting from my left, we have got Mr. Abhay Hadap sir over here, ex-secretary of MCA. Then to his left, we have got Mr. Sandeep Sharmalkar sir over here, the trustee of Varli Sports Club. Then to his left, we have got Mr. Karan Desai, the joint secretary of Varli Sports Club. And we have with them Mr. Swapnil over here with us. First, can we have Sagar Mishra, the captain of Vashi Warriors. Sagar leaked away too many runs and the batting wasn't up to the mark.
Yeah, I think the overall game was disappointing for us.
A team who was champion last year didn't open the account that well, but you came struggling, but I think somewhere you lost the moment in the last two games.
Yeah, I think the mindset of the players were different this year. The grit which we were doing from last 3 seasons, I think we were playing knockouts and finals from last 3 seasons. That was not shown this year. So we'll have to improve if they have to play good cricket.
Tough luck, all the best for future games. Time to call upon the winning captain, but he is also a player of the match. Jay Bishta, all-round performance. Jay, first you can receive the trophy over here from Abhay sir. Then from Sandeep sir, you will get that Zixa Strong sunscreen. And then from Karan sir, you will get that Sculptor Nutrition over here. And Swapnil sir also can join him to give that nutrition over here. What a knock, 75, 2 wickets. He was outstanding with the bat and the ball. Jay, once again, when your impact player, Ayush, comes in, things look different for you.
Yeah, well, definitely, like Ayush is a full package, and when he comes in, there's a lot of stability in the side, and we get a lot of confidence that we have one player who can bat and bowl. So yeah, he's a gun player, he's an asset for any team, and we are thankful that he is coming for us and winning games for us.
As a captain, when you see Ayush batting at the other end, how easy the life becomes for you to bat out in the middle?
Well, today actually it got easier for me because as you saw, I wasn't able to hit the ball in the start. So when he came in, the way he batted, the way he batted to the left-arm spinner, they had 2 quality left-arm spinners, and the way he took him, the switches which he hit was amazing, and I think so he kept the momentum alive throughout. So yeah, kudos to him. The way he's batting right now, I hope he keeps on doing this for a longer period of time.
When 4 overs were left, he took on the bowler in the 16th over. You took on the bowler in the 70th over there. And then, what was the discussion going on? Ayush was telling I can hit 6. In the other over, you were telling I too can hit 6. And then in the last 2 overs left, were the 100 going in your mind?
Not really. See, what happens is we had to bat on a damp pitch, and the way you saw the pitch is behaving kind of slow in the start. So we kept on saying each other that let's take chances to the fast bowlers, and when the fast bowlers arrived, we got the opportunity to hit 6s and 4s, and I think so he played a brilliant knock too. Overall, it was a brilliant team performance, and I think so we can continue this in the future games.
The Cheetah captain would be quite happy the kind of performance the team has delivered today.
Exactly, yeah.
Well then, all the best for future game. So that is all from this post-match presentation. See you in the evening.